Hi, Prepper21 here. Today I want to just show how the microgreens that I've been growing have really developed in just a short amount of time. It hasn't even been a week since they've been sown, really. Two of them are ready to eat, and the third will be soon. Microgreens are important because they are full of macronutrients. Now, I told you I was growing sunflower, and this is what they look like. Now, this is not the sunflower that you're going to grow up in your garden and get the honeybees to come by and then pick seeds later from. The seeds, as you see them here, sprout inside the medium that I showed how to do in a previous video. And I think tonight what I'll do is just come in and I'll clip a few with some scissors and put them on a salad in addition to the arugula, which has really come out beautiful as always, really reliable. Not really any bad seeds in the whole bunch. And you see how full and beautiful this tray is. Now, arugula is a spicy, peppery type, I'll call it a green, not a lettuce. And I like to eat the leaves in the lettuce themselves or the microgreens sprinkled on, into a salad, a soup, or, garnish for any type of other dish. Again, the amount, I'm not going to get into the specifics, but they're chock full of vitamins and minerals, okay? And what's really nice about the protein aspect of sunflower are one of these microgreens that you can grow that really contains, a fair amount of protein. Not like meat or anything, but enough to keep your macronutrient requirements working. And over here, we have pea shoots, and all of these peas seem to be doing pretty well too. They'll grow, a couple more inches in the next day or two, and then they'll be ready to start picking and adding in. So as far as a meal goes, I'll show this too when I get to it, but sometime maybe this weekend, today's Thursday, I'll come in, snip off some of this, snip off some of the pea shoots, cook them up with some dehydrated carrots, put some rice on the side, maybe a can of tuna, sardines, just to demonstrate a kind of almost grow it at home yourself survival meal, prep meal, and who knows, man, this is probably the way we're supposed to be eating anyways, or at least part of it. So nothing too fancy here, nothing too hard. Set it and forget it with the microgreens, but don't forget it too long because it only takes a few days to get going. If there's any questions or comments about how I'm growing this batch for consumption, and you want to share what you're growing, please do so. There'll be another video coming up about this, and on the side to my right, I have everything growing up through the Kratky hydroponic system, and the lettuces and some of the spinach is starting to get big. So we'll be starting to pick from that probably this weekend as well. And again, that's only been in operation maybe just maybe 10 days so far right now. So there you have it. I hope you found this useful. And, grow some microgreens, get prepared, look up the sprout people in California for what I consider to be a great seed supply. Okay, get prepared.